Come test drive the 2013 CC, Volkswagen CC. It's what's on the outside that counts and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, power steering, backup camera. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.